Excel versions of 2010 and 2013 do not include Power Query. Therefore, it is not being shown in the ribbon. You need to download and install Power Query. However, before downloading Power Query, ensure whether it was already installed or not. It might have been installed already, but it is disabled, due to which it is not being shown in the ribbon. To confirm this fact, click the I button given at the top right side of the screen. Follow the instruction given in the video. It will help you decide if downloading of Power Query is required. You can also find the link of the video in description. Type Power Query add-ins in Google Chrome search bar. Enter key. Click on this official website of Microsoft. On the next window, you will get the message that Power Query add-ins are not being updated for Excel 2010 and 2013. Ignore this message and select your desired language. English language is selected by default. I am not changing it. Hit Download button. On the next dialog, I am selecting third checkbox, since my Excel bit version is 32-bit. Select 32-bit or 64-bit as per your Excel bit version. If you do not know your Excel bit version, press the I button at the top right side. Watch the video to know your Excel bit version. The said video can also be found in the description. After selecting the relevant checkbox, press Download button. You can watch the progress of downloading at the bottom left side of the screen. When downloading finishes, click this down arrow. Then click Show in Folder. You will find Installer Package file in the Download folder. This file will be used to install Power Query. In the Download folder, double-click Installer Package file to commence installation process. Power Query Setup dialog will open. Press Next button. Select this checkbox and hit Next button to accept the terms in the license agreement. By default, Power Query will be installed in Drive C. By clicking Change button, you can select another drive. I am not changing the drive. Press Next button and then hit Install button to commence installation. When installation completes, press Finish button. Open Excel application. Power Query will appear in the ribbon. In case Power Query does not appear in the ribbon, you will be required to activate it. The procedure to activate Power Query is given in the video link to the I button at the beginning of the video. You can also find this video in the description.